Alright, good morning Maroons. Hopefully I have a good adventure for you guys today. I'm trying to walk out to the Port Royal Square now to see if this can be possible. So what do I have planned? Yesterday while at the hotel here, I saw that there was this popular till this car move. Yeah, so all the cars finally passed. Okay, so yesterday I noticed that there was this tour company based at the location that I'm at, but the cost for their tour at the harbor is very expensive. This is why I encourage, anytime you travel, especially if you're local, anytime you travel, definitely speak to the local people to find out if the services offered by the Airbnb and hotel, if you can get it for a cheaper price. Yesterday, the last video, you realized that we were at Gloria's, and after that video I went around to the deck and found some local fishermen and found out that it might be possible to get a lower rate to actually get a small tour. So I'm just walking around to that section now to see if I can find a fisherman willing to take me out for what would be significantly less economic cost. Oh, you're good, man, you're good. Not depend you.
Drop that thing down, Tower.
1, 2, 3.
Go on.
1, 2, 3. Then I what? You say you up?
Typical me, I went all the way around here and left the money. Hey, there was this situation though where a little boy was passing with some money and some of it blew out of his hand and blew into the water over the deck. I wish I caught it on camera though, and what I did was I got a stick, laid down on my belly, and reach over in there and kind of like scrape the money off of the bottom of the sea and take it up. It was cool.
Alright,
Yeah, man,
give baby a light.
I'm going to
Alright, baby a light, make a cut.
take off some
One more jacket.
Can I get one of them vests, yeah?
Yeah, one more vest. That's what vest in the boat.
Oh, that's the gatings.
Ramsey, anybody from this world, let me know. You have my number? Tell my number. 33795.
That's the blessing now.
You just call me right away.
337.
Splash proof.
9565.
So,
Okay, use it.
water can, water,
9565.
yeah, it's stable enough, but
Just call, look at this.
I mean, somebody did I give me it, so I just
Yeah,
take it, you know.
So anybody come your hold them, so I just come right away.
Just whatever come to mind. Alright, so funny enough, Maroons, I went back to get the money and I almost did not come back. But what happened is, I did came back and the man that was about to bring me out, luckily 2 more persons came along and wanted to do something similar. Funny enough, the persons that came along actually have a YouTube channel. So their channel is named Dane Visuals.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so this is Dane and this is the visual. So yeah, it turned out could be a whole vibe. You don't drop no more money. Come on.
What you do for me? Roll a rope on that thing left for me now. The iron at the bow there. Just make a spin with the rope on top of it. Yeah, spin it around the anchor so. Put on your vest, yeah?
Yeah, firstly, cause
Yeah, you're right there. Just spin it around the iron, yeah. down in a vest.
Them people over the place with me there, you know. But they matter about them thing are pre-booked.
Eh?
You said them people that will go, no.
Them the private thing, them the man they know you have to, them the thing that you have to pay like
Enough money.
enough money.
Them are people with police now, brother.
Eh?
Them are people with police now, brother.
You have to eat a food, you know?
Beneath it. Crazy. So close to the Coast Guard base today. Never know so close to the Coast Guard base today. To the right under the nose. Island is where I go to again?
Huh?
Which island is where I go to?
Lime Cay.
Lime Cay. Which one? Oh. Yeah. Oh, right here, so. And then far out over this one. Mushiki.
Yeah. Step on that side. Step on the lower side.
The lower side, that's all. Oh, the best them, yeah. Alright, Maroon, so I opted not to wear the crops, regretting that decision now. See how far I can jump. A push off. You record?
Yeah.
I don't understand where I go.
I know where I'm going.
Alright guys, so we are the Maroons have officially landed on the Lime Cay. This is the first time I'm taking the Maroons off the island, if you believe it or not. So we actually stoked to be out here. It's extremely beautiful. Like, just look at the water. Beautiful. Extremely beautiful out here. Alright, so I guess I have a little bit of time to kind of like just explore the island, see what I can find out. See, let's just see what it has to offer. Butterman is watching across the way. If he could hear the words I say, a move like this would be so unwise. Ooh, ooh, he wants to spoil the play. Alright, I think I hear a plane. Wait, let me just take off my shoes. Not to get any more wet. And we have to feel this water like... What the hell? Oh, wow. Really, this is like the ultimate party spot, guys. Like, I'm not even joking. Like,
You're right, I guess. I never hear you.
we're going off track. Out here, Lime Cay is definitely a cool spot. It definitely is a cool spot. Once the place, these are the big. tell me how the lizard them reach all the way out here so? Can't tell me say I swim them swim. Maybe everything was connected at once and them did out here a long time. Here's a bit more rocky. Let's see. Maroon, this is awesome. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me. Look around here. It's a bit more stony. That when this place is up and fully running, and it's a blast to be out here with your friends. I can just tell. The whole atmosphere of the place. If you want the party time, you can be around that side. Or if you like me and you prefer the chill, laid back vibe, you can just come around to this side of the island. Find the whole of this spot to just sit and chill. I'm regretting leaving my water now. Show the shoulder behind there. So, typical me Maroons. Camera battery is dying. But just do what I can with my phone. Basically it's 11:30. Checkout is at 12. So I need to make it back over to mainland, pack, shower, and get ready to leave in half an hour.
Come over, sir. No, slide away, the way. Just to the side. The way. Yeah, brother. Pull over there, sir.
Oh.
Jump. Alright. Level. I'm on ya. Go back out, I'm going on the rock. Push it out. Hold on, I'm going to tell you so. Yeah, I can breathe the advantage, yo. Hold it up, man. Just hold on, man. Alright. Try the bar road, try the white road. Throw it on top of the boat bow.
Up.
Yeah, throw it on top of the iron. No, stand up, man, stand up.
Yeah.
Cast it over that iron.
Oh, the little iron there, so.
Yeah. It's alright, just cast it over there.
Just like that. Here we go, Maroons, back to the mainland. Look like we're in a good fall.
Talk to Frank here. Huh? Talk to him. Where am I saying? Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so that was actually a dope scenario with the man like this. I have like 15 minutes to get back over. Alright, Maroons, the room is a mess. I'm rough as hell, but it's 12 o'clock. I made it back and I made it to check out in time. Just made sure I'm not leaving anything, and thank you guys for watching this video. Consider leaving a like, subscribing if you like what you saw. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, in everything that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. I'll see you Maroons in the next video.